In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a game from the Microsoft Store, and we'll make sure this process is as easy as possible. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast or simply looking to add a new title to your collection, this guide will walk you through the steps needed to make your purchase swiftly and securely, right from the comfort of your own device. Let's dive in, and our first step is to head to the Microsoft Store website. This is your one-stop shop on the web where you can download apps, games, and so much more for your Windows PC. You can access the store by opening your browser and going to the Microsoft Store homepage. Once there, have a quick look around to get comfortable with the interface, and you'll notice a host of featured games and apps vying for your attention. Now, because we're about to make a purchase, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account. This is important as it not only ensures the security of your transaction, but also allows any games you buy to be associated with your account, meaning you can download and play them across your devices. Simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login details and you'll be all set. With that squared away, let's navigate back to the Microsoft Store home. From here, you'll want to browse through the games available. Whether you're into action-packed adventures, strategic puzzles, or something else entirely, there's bound to be a game for you. If you're not exactly sure what you're looking for, try browsing through the top categories, or checking out the latest releases featured on the home page. Once you've found the game that catches your interest, click on its title to view more details. Here you'll see useful information like the game's description, system requirements, reviews, and screenshots. Take a moment to ensure this game is what you're looking to invest in, and once you're ready, proceed by clicking the Buy button. This will lead you to the purchase page where you'll need to confirm your payment method. Microsoft Store typically offers various payment options such as credit cards and store credits, so select what works best for you. Follow any additional prompts to confirm your purchase, and once completed, the game will be available for download. And there you have it, you've successfully purchased a game from the Microsoft Store. It's ready to download and play. Enjoy your new game and feel free to explore even more awesome titles available at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.